We're here at Martin Family Farms. Going to be a partial load of heifers. About 35 of these good black body heifers. They're double vaccinated. 2 rounds of Overshield Gold. They've had their black leg shot. These cattle are going to be predominantly Angus based cattle. They will be carrying about 15 to 25% Continental GLV in them. They are open. They're just a medium frame, medium flesh. They're on grass. They're just a real nice set of heifers. Approximately 35 of them. They're 7-weight cattle. Running on fescue grass. Seven of them will be black bodies, the rest will be solid black. These will be on the October max sale for October the 8th. Just a green grass flesh heifer. Real nice set of heifers, home raised. They have not been implanted. Again, one partial load of heifers coming from Martin Family Farms. 7-weight cattle, all black. 7 will be black bodies. Double vaccinated. Will be open. Just a fancy set of heifers.